What's up, everyone? Early in the morning on first sea day. It's about 7 o'clock. Been up since about 6. We're gonna run up to the Lido deck and Marketplace Lido and video the buffet, breakfast buffet. See what it looks like. All right, just got off the elevator on 9 aft. Havana Bar area's back there. Great place to go eat your breakfast. Let's see how crowded it is. I'm telling you, this place is the place to be. Absolutely nobody here. Nobody, and it's 7 o'clock. Get you a drink, sit down, eat your food. All right, let's go to the Marketplace Lido and see what the breakfast looks like. Excuse me. I got this one closed down. Huh.
On this particular sea day morning, the main buffet does not open until 7:30 a.m. I don't know if that's the normal for here, because we normally don't eat the buffet for breakfast other than the omelet station I'll hit. But you could get your fruit. They did have pastries, some ham and cheese, things like that, cereal that you could, yogurt, things like that you could go ahead and get. I'm just going to show you a little bit of this before the buffet opens up, and then we'll get in line just like we're going to eat, even though we're not. Kind of look weird and video what food they have. The buffet is open now. I will tell you this, there was a lot of people sitting over to the side just waiting for the 7:30 start time. So right at 7:30, there was a rush of people to the buffets. And of course, there's several stations set up. I went ahead and waited about an additional 10 minutes before I finally got in line. Just a video for you guys what they actually had on the buffet. This morning they did have bacon. You'll see it towards the end, and they were giving it out plentiful. That wasn't just 1 or 2 pieces. They were giving you what you wanted. Here is a bonus tip for you. I've said this before in other videos. This is the Havana Bar area we looked at the very beginning. They have an omelet station back there. Usually they have it on both sides, the Cucina side and the Asian kitchen side. But here you also can get bagels and pastries, and then they'll fix you an omelet ever how you like it. with ham and cheese, green peppers, mushrooms, bacon. Definitely check out this place if you just want an omelet and avoid that buffet area. This is the place to be. Plus, there's plenty of seating, as I mentioned earlier. Thanks for checking out this Carnival Sunshine morning breakfast buffet at the Marketplace Lido. Hey, join us on our Facebook group page. Lovey's Fat Life, pretty easy. Put it in there and we'll accept you and come in. Let's talk about food and travel. It doesn't only have to be about cruising. It can be about any type of travel you want to. And we love posting foodie pictures. Thank you.